Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more interesting tips and tutorials. Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we continue with our flower. First tutorial was about how to create this outline. Then we learned how to create these parts with Goldwork. You can find this video about Goldwork here and I will leave link below this video. And today we will learn how to work with sequins and threads. Let's start. First of all, take a thread and secure it inside our flower. For work we will need sequins, cup sequins 4 mm and flat sequins of 3 mm. Start from the middle, go down half sequence and in the middle of both sides. Take one flat sequence and one cup sequence. This way. And sew it to our wire. This way will be our first sequence. Skip half sequence here and half sequence from the side. Again, flat sequence and then cup sequence. This way. And sew it to the side. Go in the middle, as well skip half of the sequence here. Take one flat sequence, one cup sequence and sew it to the other side, to the wire. Then come again to the middle, take flat sequence, cup sequence and sew it in the middle. This way. Go down, half a sequence down and from the side. Take flat sequence, cup sequence and again sew it to the side. Skip half a sequence from the side and half a sequence from the top. Again, flat sequence, cup sequence and sew them in between of two sequences of previous row. This way. Come out again, half of sequence from side, half sequence from the previous row. Take flat sequence, cup sequence and sew it to the side. This way. Again, always start from one side going to another one. Always this on one direction. Don't go one side and then you go back. No, we always start from the one side and we go to another side. and continue. Again, flat sequence and cup sequence to the side. Then again, flat sequence, cup sequence in between of two sequence of previous row. Then again, one flat, one cup sequence in between of two from previous row, and last in this row will be to the side. Again, one flat sequence, one cup sequence to the side. All the time half around, half around. I will mark to myself till where I should fill in my flower with sequins. Just to not forget where should I stop. And I continue all the same as I showed you. I start from the side. I take one flat sequence, one cup sequence, and I sew it to the side. Then I come out again in between of two sequence of previous row. I take one flat sequence, one cup sequence, and I sew them in between of two sequence of previous row. Again here, one flat, one cup in between. As you can see, as I'm on my widest row, I will have here 5 sequins. Before I had 4. Again, coming out in between of two sequins of previous row. And last in this row will be as well as always flat sequence, cup sequence, and to the side. I will be back to you when I will finish my flower here. I will start from here, and with long stitches I will embroider this part. I will cover with the thread this part of felt, and then I will blend all my materials together. It is important here to follow the lines, like invisible lines here, to make our flower more realistic. We start from the middle and we go to the side. Again, start in the middle, go inside the sequence to blend all parts together. Again, to the middle, next to the sequence, . to the flower. Cover all felt with simple stitches. Now I will blend my thread inside the sequence. I will secure the thread and I will take gold thread to add a bit of sparkle to my flower. I have this kind of gold thread. I will make my thread double. Make a knot. Secure your thread as we always do. And I will just make a few stitches inside the sequence to give a bit of sparkle to my flower. This kind of flower we have by the end of our 3 lessons. Now I will secure my gold thread and I will cut it. Here you can decide what you will create out of this flower. It can be just embroidery for your sweater or for your coat, or you can make a brooch out of it. One of the ways how to finish the back side of the brooch you can find in this video, and I will leave the link below this video as well for the back side. Or you can create the earring. You can make it as a clip-on earring, or you can just add the hook here. But first of all, we have to cut it out. What I will create out of this embroidery you will see in my next tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like this video and comment below if you have any questions or suggestions to my channel. See you in my next tutorial. Bye!